I'm Kat Plaza. I'm from Washington, D.C. in the United States. I go to Dartmouth College and I'm doing my degree in Earth Sciences and Chemistry. I heard about Volcano Camp when one of my Earth Sciences profs emailed something out to the department about it. I decided to apply to Volcano Camp because I have an interest in volcanology, kind of a new interest for me, and I hadn't really had an opportunity to study volcanoes with a certain focus to it or with the ability to actually be on an active system. So I thought it'd be really cool to kind of be in place and to see these structures. Well, one thing I learned at Volcano Camp was that I actually really am interested in volcanoes, because that was something I wasn't really sure about. You know, I had this interest, but I was like, okay, if I spend a week studying it, I'm gonna see maybe if this is actually something I'm passionate about, and it is, which is super cool. And then I got to learn a lot, like focused on actual volcanic deposits, as well as a lot of hazard management stuff that I hadn't really been exposed to before at all. Just being the site of, you know, the 2021 La Palma eruption and seeing the devastation, we got to talk a lot about hazard management and the way that volcanoes impact people, which is really interesting. Well, one highlight of Volcano Camp for me was being around a lot of other people some of whom are really passionate about volcanology, which was super cool to kind of be in that community where everyone's really excited, but then also to learn from a lot of people with different skill sets. You know, we had someone who was focused on like disaster management here. We had a psychologist, so that's really interesting to kind of get different perspectives. And then for the field component, going to the site of the 2021 eruption was definitely a highlight. Just being able to see something so active that, you know, the ground was still warm under my feet was just like an incredible and very moving experience. My advice to anyone thinking about applying or who's already coming to Volcano Camp is really to just go with the flow and kind of accept all that you're learning. The days are full and there's a lot to do, but it's an incredible opportunity and it's an incredible experience. So really just being up for whatever the day brings and for whatever you're going to see, and just taking everything in stride. I would really recommend it, because if you're open to it, it's an awesome experience.